The Banya Bako exam again, because when I do, I do of one, hey, one chicken chineke qualaka weke, if on one, my may for bananine, but then so boy, can you look at cacao where, because can you get Mike? No,
No.
Nanoconia, never close out to no George Atom again, Look, I can ask Bakima Quasi of Mofma.
Oh, someone tinkling.
I want to now, why Lisa? I saw my Charlie. No,
I won't watch Charlie though, but
Maybe it was in one
Lagos.
Jesus, I have a boss one chance. Oh, nah, I'm not going to ask Bonos Lagos. I'll be African. But Koala and you, but can I forgive me?
I found Onyi Chuku.
In the case, I don't know because
I'm Onyi Nnewi, Anambra State.
Hey, a very good day. A very good day. Why you may go also?
Yes.
If I Ghana must go, Kaji, we go, up indigenous cash, shopping and spending.
Yes, so
no way for so this can do and see can quick in case you keep your line. I cannot delegate. The can be no matter Icsn.
I heard about Icsn in 2011. And that was the first time that. So when we had our restaurant at Southeast Deptford and Plumstead, we had some of our staff that worked for us that used to come to Icsn. So they invited us to come over, and that was when I first heard about it. I think at that time they had it somewhere in central London in the bar. So we just went there. It was quite crowded. I don't really do too well in crowd, but it was like a nice vibe. And it was good to see like Igbo young professionals coming together and just basically just vibing together. Okay, excellent. Yeah. So since becoming a member, what have you enjoyed about Icsn? My story with Icsn is not a good one.
Why? Because I'm Icsn.
I'm being true though, but Icsn, I think one of the reasons why I chose to be a member was to sort of like see how I can give my knowledge, share my knowledge, and also support the passion or the aim, which is basically to encourage young professionals in diaspora and to sort of give them like a place where they can call home. That's not necessarily the same as their parents' organization, but a place that, you know, you see people like yourself, you guys are at the same level, like in terms of your English, and so in terms of your Igbo speaking, you speak the same and you can easily relate with them. So that's one of the reasons why
because before I got forward, can role you play because
so I was officially elected as the finance exec, but for my tenure, I did part of I basically branched out. So I did part of the VP role. I did also part of the socials, not really social actually. I did part of PR and also website exec. That's what I did.
So vice or president?
No, we just basically we're a small team, so we had to basically help each other to achieve the goal. Yeah.
Email off ma because I can quick na again. So in ma kwana ye njiwe of tapage ya jiwe of tapage eba tata makana nuku mmemme anyị na-akwado ime. Anyị na-akwado ime nnukwu mmemme ebe anyị na-eme 25 years anniversary anyị because kedu ife na-eneba anya ihe gbasara this 25 years anyị na-akwado ime?
For the 25 years anniversary, I feel like it's going to be a mixture of old and new. You'll see a lot of like the previous members that have been part of Icsn that have seen it from when it was like really nothing to what it is now, and also the new people that are passionate about wanting to know about the culture and those that have probably served. So I feel it's one thing to look forward to also experience the culture, the food, the tradition, and just eat yam basically.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah.
So you might serve go different positions. You know, going at different posts.
Yeah.
So you're not changing because can you advise you the up and coming members now but and the next 25 years members that will be coming in? Can you advise you Nyefa?
So for the members, I'll just say whatever intentions you have in terms of joining the organization, make sure that is your focus. So it could be, let's say, to make more Igbo friends. It could be to attend more Igbo events. It could be also to learn more about the language. So that should be your your main aim. And also, if you look for the ways for you to serve, the organization could also help you in terms of like you get to meet other organizations. You tend to liaise with, let's say, Igbo teachers. If you're doing culture, you tend to go to different Igbo environments, which is not necessarily a cup of tea for most of the members. So as an Inspire member, come with that one thing. Your main aim and focus for being a member. If it's, like I said, learning more about the culture, looking for ways to travel, like in terms of, I think, for example, the Udara outreach, to travel back home and give back to the Igbo land. Or if it's basically to meet more people in the UK, or if you want to get married, it'll be your main focus.
Oh, yes.
So yes, as a lady, if you're looking for a husband, ensure that, you look at the guys that are there and you try and be friendly and smile.
Oh, yes. Don't
judge them by what they look, because people are actually bigger and they have a better vision than what they look like. And as a guy, don't be scared to approach a lady. Just ensure that enjoy your communicate properly. And we're there. Yeah.
So maka na na-ekwe ya since na mgbo na-espa na Icsn abụrụ sọsọ ịbịa ebe a sụọ sụpịrị ịbịakwa ebe a ụmụ asa ka nkụ okorobịa ka nkụ ndị oke mkpi ka nkụ ifufe na-enwu odogwu nnukwu odogwu ịma na odogwu abụrụ ga na-eyi ọ bụrụ onye ọbụla na-azụ odogwu but ndị
they are solid guys. They are solid people.
So, all the comma ichekwa echiche. Imakwara 25 years ago mgbe Icsn bido. Ige ntị, onwekwa nwanne anyị nwoke bịa gwa anyị okwu mgbe ni si na ndị bata na Icsn na 25 years ago bụ ndị Icsn afamugo ụmụ Icsn. They've had children for Icsn. Wee mụta nwa na ụmụfa bụ ndị na-abata nkịta, new members na-abata. And that is what it is. Without Icsn, those children would not have been born. Because those couples would not have met each other. So Icsn them na utaini nesi wechokota ono na nuko onwani maka na agwakwa emetenye de gigmeni maka onono not very important na aiwe na emetekwa onwani inekwa anya onye obuna say different culture na batakwa na Icsn na achokwa di na nwunye metekwa di na nwunye na umu nwanne anyị nwoke nke a na-akpọkwa eze nwanne anyị nwanyị chetakwa di ebe ahụ iwe ngwana ya ife eme nke nwanne anyị nweke kwa emeka ha chetakwa nwunye ebe ahụ.
That's true.
Onye na chota di na nwunye ebe ahụ ọ dịkwa mma ọ bụrụ ka gị ya chetakwa point kwa kele wele kwa nke gị ọ amakwa m chetakwa kwa maka ị na-ezokwa nke gị.
God is kind.
Oh yes, what God cannot do does not exist.
It does not. I'm even wearing the banner self.
Oh, you can do. No one do it again. I'm gonna join Alpha. So yeah. So can you advise again? Because I actually reach out to the young Igbo generation. We want to attract more young people to join us. This Igbo graduate every summer I know say Igbo graduate. If a group of us say, well, I if I know one, also if I can, whatever was Amazon. That is it. So could you advise again? How do we reach out? How do we connect to these people?
I'll just say she basically offers something that they need. So for example, if you're looking at graduates, right? So there's some probably people looking for jobs, looking for probably like a mentor, someone that could mentor them. So if you sort of like do offer like a 2 weeks or 3 weeks or just a one weekend taster to speak with like the older Icsn people that are well established in their fields, could be an avenue for them to, come in and integrate. Also, going to schools. I know a few people learned about Icsn from the Igbo church or through their home meetings. So that could also be a way, sharing the word and going for like a lot of the Igbo events like IFAC, which Icsn will go to, and also going to universities. So because we are based in London, we can go to the universities in London, the Nigerian Students' Union or the ACS, African Student Society, and try to reach out to the African people there or Nigerian Igbo people there to let them know that this is what we do, this is how we can support the Igbos that are coming to this country and how we can basically give them a home that is away from home and just basically welcome them. So I believe doing those things. And if we're looking for like professionals, we should also do an activity that would encourage them to come, that would leave their busy day at work or after their day at work, they want to come and just chill and vibe within that space and within that fair sphere.
Then it can be in our last because Because English guy there, go on miss you. Can be in alone or last.
Like the East.
Mba, West. Of course, East. Nothing can be in our no.
2021, I think I went to Obosi and I also went to...
Oh, you went to Obosi?
Enugu. No, I'm from Nnewi. I just said it.
Can you not go to Obosi for?
My friend went to marry. Went to go and collect her husband.
Oh, no. I'm going to collect her husband. Oh, Jesus. So you know Obosi. So you can be in a village in Keguma.
2018 actually.
2018.
Yeah.
So you're not Jologi Maka. Can you culture? Can you your culture? What do you enjoy about your Igbo culture?
What I enjoy about being Igbo, for me, I see it as my identity. You can't necessarily take it away from me. I believe that anyone who wants to get to know me will have to embrace that part of me. I love our food. I love our language, if I'm not really speaking it. I love our language. I also love our clothing. I believe that, we're very, very cultured and we're very vocal, and it's what makes us who we are. Whatever we believe in as Igbos, we'll fight for it and we hold on to it, because that's really, really our core. So that's me. That's what I believe as Igbos.
So you're going to make a culture on the Obodegi, and when you feel Mama can do Arochuku.
I'm not Arochuku. I'm Nnewi.
Nnewi, sorry, I'm the one telling you when you are Arochuku. So in the Nnewi, can you culture in the Nnewi?
All I know is that our Ofaku is the best in the whole of... yes, no.
Oh, yes.
Ofaku and
Icsn 25 years ago, so Ofaku. Only say, now,
yeah, our Ofaku and Bitaliv, I know we cook that own hands down. No one can compete with us.
So you must say,
yes, no.
I'm need equal to the task.
I run a kitchen business. Not really a kitchen, but I run a food business. So because you because I not again magic
so you na camera he wish go in the Icsn 25 years if I go for you figure balufuru golf for so far ijoma go no to asaga congratulate if can you go
okay, so I like to use this opportunity to congratulate Icsn on the 25th year anniversary. 25 years is not beans. It actually takes dedicated people who love the vision to basically see it to where it is right now. And my prayer for Icsn is that you get more people that have that same passion to see it grow even to another 25 years. And I also pray that, sorry, my wish is more like prayer. I also pray that, what has been started is going to be Igbo. We're going to support our Igbo culture. We're going to elevate people. We're going to support those that are struggling with the culture, with the language, and basically bring everyone together, unite both those back home and those in diaspora here together. And we're speaking one voice.
Oh, no, I got delegate my email. Chukugozikwe again now, Mogig Mekolegi.
Amen.
So because it is a conani, because it is an ani. And I'm not going to check Ibia Colagaka. Oh, sometimes because when the bike couldn't make one okay.
I think once an exec, always an exec.
Oh, you can't cook a
can't really
run away from me. In Asukal English, Nasli, in Aslam Galibugi, because it is an ani. Yen now waggy. Oporogakwa ebiakwa kola anyaka oporogakwa esekwa enekwen ofaku ibunya ite ofaku say nka no on the house or ndo yibo it's on the house it's in a dash and I did the way gaba
but it's not everyone in Icsn that can eat ofaku
nka ora pugoro kwa because I'm Nigerian if for afọ emeka geria nka ora nsobu ine ndidi anya ndidi geria ine nezima anya o geriku ya all like ndi like ifeoma nwanna anyị nwoke nọkwa ebe amakwa ma geriku ya ma ịma na nwa chale so amara m no geriku but ekele gele Chineke ye na agwa gị biko don't forget us
because
echekwana ka mbịa akwụkwọ aka ịmakwa wee ma amakwa m ebe ibi mbịa akwụkwọ aka ahụ ha ịma anyị na-eme ma kpere tọkọtọkọ na nwanne gị bụ nne Chukwu gozie gị
ngwanụ
ka ọ dịkwa na ndị be anyị ngwanụ anụgo na ya ngwanụ ka ọ dịkwa mgbe ọzọ
okay